Well, hopefully the neighbors didn't mind this for tonight, because that wasn't fitting in the driveway. We had to drive the truck and trailer home since we got the Forester yesterday. It is morning. Your boy's still half asleep, and we got a busy day. Morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready to work on a Honda today?
Yeah.
Corey's on his way to pick up his beautiful new setup. So,
Just finishing bolting the last little things down, getting everything all nice and ready for him.
just wrapping up. So I told you guys I have a tune today, so we have a build coming back. I'll show you guys Elijah's 19 STI. I'm pretty excited to see what it'll do because I don't get to work with the turbo that's on it very often. It's a BCP X500 Plus. I'm sure a lot of you probably will relate to that turbo and have had experience. They are a really good turbo, comparable to an Epi Green, and I get to see that today. So I'm excited to see that. EG hatch motor is in the car. Saying, like I said, I'm gonna have Chase do some things to it today. The Fozzie is back home soon. Her time will come. But first, we gotta get this hatch done. So what I'll probably have Chase do today is we need to get that oil pan gasket on. I need to have him ship out a block for a customer today. Also, and get some clamps for this thing, just the small odds and ends that we need still for it. And then get this thing pretty much where it's ready to where we can have it taken to Ranchbuilt so they can modify the exhaust. Because this thing is gonna need the header extended or the cat back extended up to it. And I have a V-band assembly for it. So you're gonna have them do that. Then once that's done, we can actually put a break-in tune on this thing and get some miles on it. It looks like it's gonna snow all week, so it might be a matter of just getting it started, doing a little bit of miles on the dyno, and then it might have to sit just like Hyper Blue has been doing because the weather is just not there. But in the meantime, we get to play with old Dirty Girl here because we don't care if the weather's bad for her. Ain't that right?
Roadies in the snow, baby.
That's gonna be the fun one. Look at you. What are you? You're mining now?
Yeah.
You're a miner.
Gotta get the...
Literally.
There you go.
Yeah. So, gonna get Corey's car pulled out for him. He should be here within the next hour. We'll get the Forester backed up, get the hatch down. I'll give the camera to Chase today. He'll record a little bit for you guys today, and then I'll be recording on Elijah's car as well. Chase, I heard that you're a Fozzie fanboy now.
Dude, it's clean.
Are you guys ready to see it? You ready to see the magic? This
I
ain't...
haven't even seen it yet.
No.
I haven't seen
They
it.
saw like pieces of it in Fab. And then she left. Ooh.
You guys aren't even ready.
You aren't ready.
Just close your eyes when we flip it around and then open them.
Tanner, you're so done, bud.
Yeah, you got your bolt-on kit. What is that? You need to go get some fab work, Tanner. Come on.
He's making his own rotate kit.
Oh.
Just don't do a .63 exhaust housing this time, Tanner. He's so mad at me.
V8 boy stuff right there. You need that 105.
I can't remember. What do you have? You had like a 60, 62?
Oh, yeah, 60, 60.
I think he had a 60, 62 of a .63 housing when I originally tuned his car. The thing spooled later than like a 75.
You don't have a Honda. You don't have that much compression. The 62s are Honda turbos.
Literally, bro. We don't use 60, 62s on Subarus, and if we do, they definitely don't got the .63 housing. He knows I gave him crap when he did the new build, and literally his old 60, 62 of that .63 housing was not hitting full boost till 5,200 RPM, bro.
We have 68s making 19 pounds of boost at like 43, so come on, Tanner.
Damn. Here she is, boys.
This is how I'm gonna do this high school.
Here she is. Ranchbuilt once again killed it. Now keep in mind, this is a quick 1 week turnaround. There is some things that we could have definitely changed with the intercooler piping if I had taken more time. But in light of giving you guys content,
1 week, we already
1 week they went ahead and got this built for us. New turbo kit for this thing. So intercooler is mounted. I will show you guys what they did there. It's really nice how they did that. This is a GD full ETS front mount kit. The only thing that had to be modified was the intercooler had to go down about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and the intercooler pipes would have worked if we had used the ETS rotated up pipe, down pipe, and the stock intake manifold. But since we're using the AMS, they did have to extend this here. This doesn't have any clamps on it, so don't mind if it's sitting down right now. They had to modify that charge pipe because obviously we changed the location of the turbo in light of having a better downpipe priority. I think this kit, in my eyes, looks a lot cleaner, and it's nothing against my boys at ETS. They make a really good bolt-on kit that is accessible to all you guys to use, and you guys have seen we've used many of them and proved that they make really good power. This is just visually, this is what I like a bit more, and being that we have a fabrication shop here, it made sense to just drop the car off, get what I needed done, and since we had to modify things anyways, it just made sense. So this thing's all together. You know, the best look is always, yeah, the Turbski.
Turbo guard, baby.
What do you think about the fitment there?
I think it looks really good. I personally would have put an H cover on it, but I don't think the stock motor can handle all that sauce right now.
But
But
stock motor can handle an H cover. It's just,
it depends.
this was not planned there, bud.
Yeah, it wasn't planned.
This
so.
turbo we got thanks to a subscriber. It was a good deal. It was what was available right now. I would have loved to have an H cover on here, but with this bay, I think it really does work.
Yeah, it fits the bay, especially with the AMS manifold. I mean, it's a 6870 overall. So, I mean, it really doesn't matter about the cover size. I mean,
It's about 50 horsepower.
yeah, I
is
just
what the
like,
difference is
I just
of
like
that cover.
Fat old, big old turbos looking at you.
He's just broken
yeah, I'm
now.
broken.
He used to think that was a big
You're
one.
broken.
You're done, bud.
Yeah,
No, I would open it and show you guys. There is no cover on the turbo.
Yeah.
Then you'll see. Ugh.
Damn, open so nice.
See.
See, he says I'm broken.
No cover.
But the size of just this wheel is the size of the whole damn turbo. So.
I don't know what you're talking about. She's stock. Guys, we took the brake caliper off on this side and the spacer off, and look how good the fitment is.
She's perfect.
We decided.
No brakes. We ain't running no brakes.
No brakes. We're out. The fitment looks better than having brakes.
NHRAs might be looking at us, so.
We'll put a parachute on the back. We'll be good. You just click the chute and you're stopping. Damn. Why you gotta say that?
We ain't putting no cage in. I'm sorry. You guys, we'll run our 9, what is it? A 9.5, 9.6 before you have to put a cage?
Boy, she's a little older than the Subarus.
Oh.
She has different rules.
Yeah.
See, the Subarus, they moved it per NHRA rules. The last I checked, 9.0 at 150.
Yeah.
Because everything's getting more safe as the years go on and car safety requirements are going higher. So they moved that lower. This thing, boy, she ain't safe.
If we get in action anyway, like.
You're done.
You're done. It's a Honda. Like, they crumple like tin cans, so.
At least she's got full interior.
I mean,
It's not like
she got
most
seatbelts
Hondas
now.
where they cut all the doors and quarter panels out of it.
And she got a subsystem in her. She's bumping.
We always got a bump. But Forester, she's coming along. They got my homie Tommy extended for me. We got the NVIDIA N1. Look at that.
Homie Tommy.
That's what we call him, the homie Tommy.
Homie Tommy.
It's the inner joke because Chase had a cheaper no-name exhaust and he called it his homie Tommy.
Yeah, because the homies.
It was a
hooked
budget
up on
Tommy.
it. Yeah. I
The homies hooked it up on me.
It sounded just as good. It wasn't titanium, but it came out the driver's side. So I mean, it was the homie Tommy.
So we got homie Tommy V2 here.
Yep.
So this ain't, like I said, we're gonna start on it once this is done, and hopefully everybody yell at Chase, get it done today.
I know you guys don't like Honda content, so
Yeah.
but I'll try getting this done as fast as I can today.
Working on it. He's got to put that fuel pump in, like I said, reseal the oil pan, do the little things. You're going to have to make an alternator power wire too.
Yeah.
Just the small stuff.
Yeah.
All right, well, our tune's about to show up. I'll show you guys Elijah's car, and then we'll get started for today.
See ya.
Chase was slacking today. He didn't record the Honda for you boys, so we're going to keep the Honda content for tomorrow. But she is most of the way together. This isn't mock-up now. A lot of this is on. I do need to stop and get a valve cover gasket because something was wrong with mine. So I got to get the grommets for the spark plugs. Get that on. Header is on. The lower piece still needs to be put on. What else? We already ran all the wiring. We got to put a battery in it. We got to wire an alternator wire.
All the hoses here, Corey.
Yeah, all the hoses. Obviously, the spark wires aren't on yet. So just little things. But you guys are going to have to wait till tomorrow and first start.
Yeah.
We're gonna be working on another Sunday. Well,
Yep,
I
I'll
am.
be here.
You. Yeah.
I'll just be here hanging out.
Oh, that's what it is. oh, Riley's.
Yeah, we'll probably have to go there.
Yeah. That wraps it up. Elijah's super happy, guys. Sometimes it's hard to get some people to show emotions on camera. Me, I'm one of them. I know you're one of them.
Yeah.
Takes a lot. You have to get used to the camera, and I really try my best for you guys. I think it's a lot of fun seeing the cars on the dyno, see the number, and then see the reaction. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And tomorrow we'll go ahead and jump on this. First start on this. Then this thing's gonna go to Ranchbuilt to get the exhaust modified. And like I said, the weather outside is not gonna be great. So this thing's probably gonna go on the back burner for a little bit till I get some miles on it. And then we get to jump on the Forester. Excited for that one.
Me too.
Party time.
That thing is going to be filthy.
Hopefully the motor lasts over the dyno. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, throw you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. The bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. The moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning. I'm zoning, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the